In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the inaccessible boot device error on Windows 11. This error can be quite frustrating, but with just a few steps, you'll be on your way to getting things back to normal. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start by focusing on repairing system files, which can often be the root cause of the problem. To begin, you'll need to open the command prompt. This is a powerful tool in Windows that allows you to execute commands and fix various system issues. Once you have command prompt open, you'll want to enter a specific command to start repairing system files. This command is sfc/scanow off bootdir c/off windir c/windows. By running this, the system will start a scan to check and repair any corrupt files within your operating system. This process may take a bit of time, so be patient and let your computer do its thing. Next, you'll need to follow up with another command to ensure comprehensive system health restoration. In the same command prompt, type in the following command: dism image cleanup image /restore health. This command engages the deployment imaging service and management tool, which is crucial for ensuring that any potential damage within the system image is addressed. Again, this might take several minutes, so allow your system the time it needs to complete the process. Once you've repaired the system files, it's time to rebuild the boot records. Restoring these records can resolve issues related to the boot device error. Keep the command prompt open and begin by typing bootrec/fixmbr. This will repair the master boot record, a critical part of your computer's booting process. After that, enter bootrec/fixboot to fix any issues with the boot sector. Next, type bootrec scanos. This command will help identify any installed operating systems and ensure that they're properly listed in the boot manager. After it finishes, conclude by entering bootrec/rebuildbcd. This final step will search for Windows installations not associated with the boot configuration data and allow you to add them back if necessary. With the boot record successfully rebuilt, go ahead and restart your computer. This reboot is essential to ensure all the changes take effect and your system returns to its normal operation. After the restart, your computer should boot up without encountering the inaccessible boot device error. By carefully following these steps, you've taken control of the situation and performed a thorough repair that should resolve the issue. Having the confidence to troubleshoot and fix these errors is an invaluable skill that can save you both time and frustration in the future. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.